Hi everyone, it's Hannah here from Exceptional Consultancy. We're reaching the end of 2016 and lots of people, they have New Year resolutions around their health and fitness and around their finances. I know quite a lot of people, they say in the new year they want to take up more exercise, they want to lose weight. Same as the finances, they want to be in control of their finances, get on top of their bills and keep their bookkeeping up to date and start saving. Actually, there are two things for the new year that are important for the finances. Lots of people have the same resolution, but in reality, less than 5% of people keep them. But next year, the good news is there are two things you might wish to get on to stay on top of your finances, but then there are two things that government actually will help you, hold you accountable to achieve your financial goals. So the first thing is for lots of small businesses, you are staging into auto-enrollment. That means for if you are running a business and you're hiring employees, you have to take care of them for retirement automatically. That becomes mandatory for all the small businesses. So for next year or next 2 years, then the business who are staging into auto-enrollment will become smaller and smaller. And then in the next few years, so that will be the obligation for every employer. And the employee as well, you might have to contribute 1% or a few 2% of your paycheck to a pension contribution. That's an obligation. But of course, lots of people are saying my paycheck becomes smaller by doing so. But it's not the case because you are paying into a pension pot, you are funding for the future. So you might pay £100 in your pension pot, but actually you might get £200 in the future. So that's a benefit for the long term. And of course, government is enforcing that to make sure you start saving for your retirement, for your future, and then hold you accountable this way. The other thing is the government is proposing making tax digital. That's basically for everyone who are running a small business. Instead of reporting your tax or reporting your financial statements on annual basis, you have to report on quarterly basis. That's a really good way to make sure you stay on top of your bookkeeping, your record keeping is compliant. And then by doing this, keeping your finances up to date, you always know your spending, you always know your budget. So you can manage your finances much easier. You have a clear picture about which part you're overspending and which part you can invest more. And if your business is running, is your business profitable or if that's making a loss. So that's also government is enforcing that. You have to report your financials on quarterly basis. So if you're not currently doing so, if you're still piling all the receipts and at the end of the year waiting for accountants to sort out for you, so that's something you have to change next year. That becomes mandatory. If one of your New Year resolution is for that, then good news is the government is holding you accountable. So as we can see, there are two major things that you probably need to look out for next year. That's you start saving. You have to start saving for retirement, and you have to start really get organized about your record keeping, so you can manage your finances more effectively. So if you like to explore more about auto-enrollment as well as making tax digital and how we can help to start your new year fresh and really make it keep your finance, help you stay on top of your finances so you don't have to take too much time, then please be free to speak to us. And our website is exceptionalconsultancy.co.uk. Thank you.